Hello, I'm Andy Zuccaro from the ASCO Corporation. We've been building equipment since the mid-1980s, and we support everything that we make. Like all electronic equipment, some of it becomes obsolete, and at times it's impossible to get parts to replace. If you have an old unit like this one here with the membrane keypad, this control box has been obsolete for many years, and it's impossible for us to get replacement parts to service it. That being said, we do offer you two possible options. The first option is to send us the unit if it's in pretty good shape, and we can install the latest control package on that. The latest control package has a color HMI and a PLC control. The second option would be to buy a brand new unit. The advantages of buying a brand new unit is that deliveries are much quicker. You get the latest controls and the most up-to-date mechanical packages that's built to the latest standards. You would get many years of reliable service, an easy-to-use unit, and one that will be with you for many years. So please give us a call and let us know how we can help you.